Final cut.
Yeah. Then I hit this.
Should be working. It worked for me. Here, hold on.
Did you wait?
Yeah, there's a pause in there.
No, I know it's fun, but did he wait a couple seconds before pressing, or did he immediately click it?
I waited a couple seconds and then I hit it.
Okay, I think we need to connect it.
Go! Country road, take me home to the fuck!
To the place where I'm gonna die.
Okay, now, hit the, what's it called? Yeah, hit that.
Crunchy music consists of effing their sisters, alcohol, shooting people.
Go.
Son of a mother effort. There we go.
What the heck is this?
It's you in 50
You didn't
years.
set it up in the right spot.
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't.
We're retarded.
This is a story.
Matthew, your bag tried to kill me.
I wanted to kill people.
Okay, press start.
Awesome.
Record. Wait, recording. Make sure you're recording.
I am recording. I've been recording for the last 30 seconds.
Son of a mother.
I'm gonna crop it. I'm gonna crop this. I don't care. Just do it. Just do it. God damn it.
Okay, here.
Maybe you should probably.
You're the one that was. You know what?
adjust
You're
it
gonna be
so
the
we
one
can
who
go a
sets it
little
up.
farther down.
You're gonna be the one who makes it start. I'll just freaking record this. Thank you.
Instead of
Start it
recording,
over.
how about we just adjust it?
It's over.
How about we adjust it because it's not going down far enough?
It's going down enough.
Yeah, barely.
So start it over.
Okay, how about
because
this?
it's not going down far enough.
Okay, both of you shut up. I want to say something. Fuck both of you.
Cool.
There. We're all happy.
Like hell we are.
It's not even on. Boy.
It's
Okay,
at the end. I have to reset it.
yes. Now go.
Yeah, it's nails.
Bitch. No. No. Cunt.
Okay, I will set it up. Restart it.
Take the fuck she called me right now, please. I'm going to break that cube.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just tell
Okay,
me-
now start. Start.
No. You're gonna work with You have to go this way. Yeah.
Wilford!